Hi everyone!
Looking on my back and you are still the same.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jacky. I upload videos related with travel, handbags, and anything that is fun and worth sharing. So be sure to subscribe and click that bell button below if you are interested on those type of videos. So I have one box in my hand. As mentioned on my previous unboxing that I have 3 more bags to go. So this is one of them. So today we're gonna do unboxing, plus it's kind of like reveal. I have another bag, but it's not in the box because I opened it without thinking of filming or any thought of unboxing because it was a surprise gift. So I will show you that bag after we unbox this one. This one is actually from Spade. It is a small item. I wouldn't say it too small, but let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to flip it. I haven't opened this one because normally I will try to open the tape or cut the tape prior to doing the unboxing. I am just trying to cut the tape. I haven't opened it, so this is, or maybe I should stand up. That's better. So there you go. This is my first time seeing it in person. I have only been shopping online, and this is 2 items, and it's the same purse and different colors because the price was just insanely good, so I had to get 2. So let's open this one. And this color right here is kind of unique because I don't think I have this color. There they go. So this is the color. It's more like the baby blue. It's really gorgeous. So it is a crossbody. And in a minute, I will try it on and see. That way you can tell if 5'2", a petite person. So the inside is a dark blue. And it has like the Spade all over it. And you have the pocket here with no zipper. And across from that, you have a pocket with a zipper. So you got 2 pockets on both sides. And it's actually nice. So maybe I will do a separate video since I don't want it to be too long. Maybe I'll do a separate video what fits on this bag. So again, this is a crossbody with adjustable strap. And we'll do the other one. I think this one is more like, I'm not sure if it's black or blue. Oh, this one is a super dark blue. You see the difference? I will show you, I will put on the screen right now the color, what it looks like on the website. And if it's still available, I will leave the link below. But check out the Kate Spade surprise website because that website is off-season handbags there. So this one is blue. I will just show you the inside. It is the same with the other one. It's the same lining on both sides. You can see that's dark. So it's like a dark blue. It's all inside. And this one, you have the logo, which is the blue, the same color with this one. That's cute. And the same, we got zipper pocket and no one pocket with no zipper. So this is the comparison color. So it's just the square or like the camera bag. And it is leather. It's a soft leather. It's not Saffiano leather. And actually, I can tell that this one is free. You don't need to worry about it getting scratched because it's one of those leather. Both of them is in silver hardware. You can see. I will show you right now. They tried on blue. I got this one right here. So I'm petite and it is in the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a 4. It is in a 4 slot of the hole of the strap. So that is perfect. I am petite and that is a perfect length for me. Super cute. This one, I like this one actually rather than this black one. Obviously you can't really see because of the clothes that I am wearing. And again, this is just silver. And even the logo here, it's even just a silver as well. So now I am going to show you the third item that I never reveal on my channel or unback. Here it is. It is actually the backpack, and we also got this one from surprisecakespade.com. This one is in an amazing deal. I wanted this backpack because we plan to go back to Orlando. We have a free trip coming up, so stay tuned for that. I will definitely bring you along with us. So this one, I wanted this backpack because I thought this one is so cute. It has that Minnie Mouse. This one would be perfect to wear around so you guys can see. So it is in a silver hardware. So this is the close up to this. It's super cute. And it's a Disney Minnie Mouse Kate Spade collection. And this one was original price $429, but this is the zipper. It is a functional with a slim. You can probably just put cards or because not much really because it's kind of tight, but I just wanted to wear this one when we go back to Orlando because that when we went there, we didn't have a chance to go to Disney. We only went to Universal Studio, and the inside is kind of like a blush pink. So I like that it's black and pink or a blush right here. So you've got red, so it's super cute. It's kind of kiddish, but again, who cares? Makes you happy. Who cares what people say? I'm so excited to use this one for our upcoming trip to Orlando. If you are interested to purchase this item, I am going to leave the link below so you guys can check it out. If you want to buy it, just to let you know, almost every day they have an amazing deal. That's the time when I love to buy. So check it out if you love handbags or Kate Spade. Absolutely amazing quality. The value is super good. So now that I found that Kate Spade discount website, there's really no need to go to an outlet store, which is amazing because we don't have any outlet store nearby. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Which one do you like? Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. See you soon. Bye. Have a good day.